Tayo. So, itong aking veggie for this evening. I make a radish. So, this one. And this one. Ayan, si Madam. Kakain na si Madam. This is it. Thank you kay Doktora Bernardine from Baguio. One of my clients. She gave me this one from Baguio.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you so much, Doktora. Next yung aming kakainin naman is yung beans naman.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you daw, Doktora.
Have a prosperous New Year.
Ayan. So,
Thank you for your generosity.
ayan. Nanap kasi nila yan, kaya ginawa ko yan. First time ever lang nila
Nagpapalo sila?
Pangalawang mo na ba natikman yan? Oo. Pangalawang pa lang yung tikman yan. Pangalawa ko nakatagawa din yan eh, no?
Wala. Pangatlo ko na to.
Ay,
Sarap.
ganun.
Hindi pinipigain radish.
Radish. Ayan. Tapos merong
Good for
dried.
kidney.
Meron yung tomato and then onion. Thank you so much.
Ang sarap pala
Eat
hindi
tayo.
inaano. Pinipiga.
Hindi pinipiga yan pag ganun.
Usually pinipiga eh.
Yan. Lapang na.
Thank you.
Let's eat na.
Sarap eh.
Thank you so much, God, for the blessing again. Today is January 4, 2024. Let's eat radish, salad radish.
Good for kidney.
Okay.